Hello and welcome to lock number 7 here of the Welland Canal, and I'm waiting for Whitefish Bay to come up. She's coming up from lock number 6, and my plan is today to get you a nice video, drone shots as well, and also an amazing time-lapse if I can. So here at lock 7, Whitefish Bay is on its way up from lock 6, and she's going to make her way up to lock 7 very shortly. The door is open, ready for her to come in, and once she comes into lock 7, we'll get the time-lapse going and we'll watch it rise, and we'll also try and get some drone shots of her entering and so on the best we can. Just let you know about the weather today. It's a little overcast, as you can tell. 8 degrees, which is about 46 degrees Fahrenheit. Light breeze, which is nice. But we are mid-November, so we're getting pretty close now to winter. So we're going to take these days as they come. It's dry, that's all that matters. So anyway, we've got about 6 weeks left of the shipping season before this close it all down. It's actually officially closed on the 7th of January. No, the 5th of January. But we've got to have the notices in before Christmas when they want to go through the canal. So we're down to the last few weeks now of the season. So we've got to get out here as much as we can and get as much footage as we can. So anyway, sit back, relax, and enjoy Whitefish Bay. Right, she's just about to come out of lock 6 and make her way up here. And in the background on the drone, so from the drone shot in the background, you can see the ship at Spruce Glen. That is the vessel that's behind it. So just keep waiting. She'll be here shortly. This is Lock 7 of the Welland Canal, which is located in Thorold in the Niagara region of Ontario. It is also the highest point of the Welland Canal system, sitting at 174.3 meters, which is 572 feet above sea level, which makes this an ideal location for ship watching. This is the CSL Whitefish Bay. She is a self-unloading lake freighter operated by Canada Steamship Lines, and here is some of the key details about the vessel. She is a Trillium-class freighter, which is part of CSL's fleet designed for maximum fuel efficiency and minimal environmental impact. The ship has a length of 225.5 meters, which is 739 feet and 10 inches, and she has a beam of 23.76 meters, which is 77 feet and 11 inches. The drone looking down on lock 7 gives you a great perspective of how tight of a squeeze it is for the CSL Whitefish to actually fit into this lock, with literally inches either side. Each lock is 233 meters in length, which is 765 feet. And the boat itself, the ship itself, is 225.5 meters in length. So there's only a little bit of give here. As you can tell by the drone shots, she's really close up against the wall. And she's really just squashed right in there. So this is your Trillium class Whitefish Bay, belonging to CSL Canada Steamship Lines. Built in 2013, and she was built in China somewhere. Jiangyin in China. That's where she was constructed. As you can see on the front, it is part of the Trillium class of vessels. It's quite clearly stated there, just under the Whitefish. Right, to be on the safe side, I'm going to switch over to my GoPro. Now, the good thing about the GoPro camera, I can spin it around really quickly, and the image stability works really, really good. Just like this. Alright, she's nearly at the top. These lock gates will open very shortly. Tell you what, I'm glad I got extra cameras. My GoPro just died again. I don't even think you can put your hand down there, it's that close. That's a really tight fit. Alright, I'm going to play you the time-lapse video very shortly. If you look on the screen right now, you can actually see the camera where I'm recording the time-lapse. See if you can spot it. It's kind of blended in with the fence pretty well. So anyway, another minute and you'll see the time-lapse. Look at that water. Love it. Love that look. See the propeller? Try and get the camera a bit lower and zoom in. No, it's kind of interesting to see how the water is spread out. There you go, you can see the rudder, the very tip of it anyway. The water going both ways. Alright, let's play that time lapse. All right, there you have it, folks. Hope you enjoyed that. Whitefish Bay on our way down. Oh, is that a flip-flop? Is that a shoe? What is that? No, just a piece of rubber. Just floating around. Bit of garbage. For a minute, I thought it was a shoe. Anyway, until the next video, everyone. Stay safe, and I'll see you soon. Take care.